Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video, I am showcasing a bag that I ended up buying again. This is a handbag that I ended up selling, and now here we are. I rebought the bag. So if you want to see what I ended up rebuying, stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury handbags. If that is something that interests you, just make sure you subscribe and join the family. Also make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to share, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you will never miss an upload from me. So if you're ready to see what I'm going to unbox, let's get right into today's video. So here we are. Past Fatima would have never thought that future Fatima would be in this predicament. There is a handbag that I have mentioned in one of my videos that I showcased bags that I ended up selling. I explained why I sold those bags, and this bag that I'm gonna unbox ended up making that list. I also recently put out a video because I have all these videos scheduled out. And this is an impromptu video from my scheduled videos. So in my scheduled videos that I posted, my most recent one, I mentioned how this handbag would have made that list if I had it, but now I have it again and I'm in love with it. And I'm gonna go into details on to why I sold it, why I ended up having purse regret or seller's remorse, and why I ended up purchasing this item again, and if I'm gonna sell this bag again in the future, which I am not. I'm just not gonna do that. So anyway, here's the box that it came in, the Louis Vuitton box, and then here is my envelope with my receipt inside. This time I did not write a note to myself because I just didn't. In the way that work has been going, I am really happy that I went ahead and ordered this because it's a nice reward. Okay, it's almost like that TikTok noise. Oh, it's like a reward. Yeah, this is a reward for the time I've been having at work. So Louis Vuitton envelope, receipt, return label, that sort of jazz in here. We've all seen it, we all know. On to the next. So this is the box. They gift wrapped it, which I liked. It's so beautifully wrapped. If you're gonna gift this if you're actually gifting this to someone, this is the note card that you would write your name and to who it is for. I'm just gonna toss all that to the side, and inside the box is the bag. I'm actually really excited. Like, this is how I felt when I unboxed this bag for the first time in 2020. So, oh wow, I'm like really excited. So here's the bag. We're gonna toss the box aside. Here's the dust bag, and here she is. I ended up repurchasing the multi-pochette accessoire with the khaki strap, and it's like a full circle moment for me, because when I unboxed this bag for the first time on my channel was the first time I had a really sit down unboxing with you all. This video, the bag of this video, excuse me, when I unboxed this handbag the first time, it's what set off me having conversations with you all and just really engaging with you all, and just having that channel, that safe space for everyone who loves luxury handbags to be a part of. And so when I was going back through, well, here's the story. When I was going back through my channel videos and I saw that video, I was like, oh my gosh, look at the excitement in your face and your eyes. You were really excited about filming that unboxing face to face, talking to the people you love to talk to, just creating again that safe space for the people who love the same things that you love, opening up that like dialogue. And then as I'm scrolling through all of my videos, I see that I had tons of reviews, well, I wouldn't say tons, but I had multiple videos and comparisons with this cute bag. And I actually genuinely like this bag. And I think what I allowed happened is hearing other YouTubers talk about how they don't in particularly like the bag. Yeah, when I would go and stuff the bag, it would lay kind of weird if you didn't stuff it right. Like the front pouch might protrude out because the back pouch had too much in it. And sometimes you would have to play like a Tetris game so that it could lay like a particular way so it wouldn't look weird. And I had that from experience, and I heard other people saying, I'm like, oh well, if other people were saying it and thinking it, like it validates what I'm seeing and saying. And that's not always the case. Like I feel like what I didn't do my due diligence by saying, oh, these are separate pouches, let me carry them as separate pouches. Again, when I first purchased this handbag, it was not my intent to get this. I really wanted like the mini pochette, the normal monogram mini pochette, and a pochette accessoire. And then when the sales associate was talking to me, he was just like, well, right now at the time, because at the time it was really hard to get a pochette accessoire and it was really, really hard to get a mini pochette. He was like, well, you are getting 3 bags in one for the price of one. You're getting a coin pouch, which was not being manufactured. You get a mini pochette, which is a little bit bigger than the actual mini pochette itself, and then you get a pochette accessoire, which is still a little bit bigger than the normal pochette accessoire. And I was like, you know what, you're right. And then when I did end up getting the mini pochette that I wanted and the pochette accessoire that I wanted, I didn't reach for this bag, not one bit. But I was just letting it sit in my closet, and it wasn't getting any kind of use. But then I remembered recently how you don't have to wear this set as a set. You don't have to wear this set with the khaki strap. You can just wear it with the gold chain or get a different strap, and just be very creative with it. And when I went through all of my YouTube channel videos again, and I was just like, yeah, I still like this bag. I want this bag again. I feel like this bag is functional at some point, at some degree. Like, it's not as functional as some of my other bags that I have, but it is functional in the fact that, okay, if I want to deconstruct the set, I can do so. I have different pouches for different things. If something were to happen to my pochette accessoire, I have a backup pochette accessoire. It's functional in that way. Is it cute? Yes. Is it kind of practical? Yes, especially since if you don't have to carry much and you just want to run and do errands, that sort of thing. Yes. Is it a trendy bag? Yes. Do I think it will ever go out of style? No. And the reason why I say that is because till this day, other YouTube videos that I have seen on YouTube, people continuously rave about this bag and how practical and how functional it is. And when I go out of town, this is the bag that I see the most of when people are on vacation. And it just makes sense, because when you're going on vacation, you take a bag that's enough for a night out or enough to carry things for the day. If you're doing outlet shopping, if you're just going out exploring a new town, this bag can hold everything. If you wanted a smaller pouch for dinners, going out to a bar, going out to a club, here's that pouch. And then you have a little coin wallet if need be. This is all you need on vacation, ladies and gentlemen. This is all you need. You don't have to pack extra bags, because you can dress this one up, you can dress this one down, especially with the different chain and strap options. This is functional, okay? So I had seller's remorse. I had sold this bag back in December or November. No, it was either December or January of 2021. I sold this bag to Fashion File, and you all are like, well, Fatima, you could just go back and buy it pre-loved. No, I couldn't. I had to buy this bag brand new because of just the sentimental value it held for me. And so it's like, again, it's full circle for me, and I'm not gonna sell this bag because later on down the line I do see it having purpose. I see that if I have 2 little girls or whatever, my nieces and nephews, I can always gift 1 pouch to each person. So that's why I basically rebought this bag. I think she is very beautiful. I do, even though it seems very simple because it's canvas. And it comes with a coin pouch, a mini pochette, a larger pochette. It has the Louis Vuitton Vachetta tab on the front of the smaller pochette and the larger pochette. It has gold hardware throughout the bag. My strap is in this a larger pouch, and the gold chain is also in this larger pouch. So I got the khaki strap. Both the khaki and the pink strap was available online. We all have our conspiracy theories on why all canvas pieces are now available, but yeah, so here is the gold chain. So the gold chain attaches to the mini pochette, which then attaches to the larger pochette if you were trying to put the bag together all the way. And so then we're gonna attach the smaller pochette to the larger pochette. And I've seen videos of like ladies just wearing the chain and the large, like, I just seen women and ladies wear their bag like this, which I think is really nice. Some of them had the coin pouch attached, but some of them didn't have it attached, and then they would just wear it as a shoulder bag with both the pouches on their shoulder like that, which I thought was really cute. I do know one of the reasons why I got rid of this bag is because the chain strap would be kind of annoying. It would get tangled some kind of way, but at this point I really don't care because I really do honestly like this bag a lot, and so I'm gonna always want to keep it. And then from that point on, if you wanted to attach the khaki strap or your pink strap, whichever color you prefer, you would just attach that strap on there just like that, or just like this. And then it can be a shoulder bag with a coin pouch, or you cannot wear the coin pouch whatsoever. And it is such a really cute bag. It's a really cute fall bag. I love the utility strap. Like, I have other Louis Vuitton pieces that will look really cute with this utility strap. I just love the multi-pochette just in general. I just love the way the browns and the greens go with one another. Again, I do like the empreinte multi-pochette, but I just prefer the canvas multi-pochette just overall, just for its carefreeness. And the empreinte leather is actually carefree as well, but I don't know, I just really like the canvas multi-pochette. And I like how you get a coin purse, because with the empreinte multi-pochettes you don't get a little coin pouch, you just get a nice braided leather gold chain strap and a leather strap and the 2 pouches. But it is super cute. And of course the coin pouch has a larger LV on the front, and on the back it's the smaller LV. And then with the bottoms of the bags, they have the smaller LV at the bottom. So yeah, I have this bag. I love this bag. I won't let it go. Just because sometimes you might fall out of love with bags, and that is the case. Sometimes that is absolutely true, but you know, just take the time, think things out, think about how certain things have sentimental value to you, and you don't always have to act on it or sell sell the bag. If you've had this urge to want to sell the bag for like more than 3 months, then just go ahead and sell it. But if you just have, because it was really impulse why I sold this bag. Like when I tell you, it was complete impulse. And then I had seller's remorse, but I'm happy to have this bag in my collection. I'm gonna get great use out of this bag. This is gonna be my go-to like travel bag, because like I mentioned, you have the smaller pouch, you have the larger pouch, and it can go from day to night, and then you can just use each pouch for a different look, for a different occasion, and it's worth the money. Now, y'all, these price increases is absolutely insane, because the amount that I just purchased for this bag, I wish I could have bought it at the same price that I bought this bag back in 2020. Like, I basically feel like I've gotten scammed by repurchasing this bag, but the value that it holds makes up for that. And plus, I work hard, I save my money, so I was able to do this for myself, like at the spare of the moment, actually. And so I'm really blessed and really happy to be able to do that for myself. But I just like, and this is one other thing I wanted to add. I know I'm starting to become I'm getting very close to being at peace with my collection, like very, very at peace with it, where me buying luxury items might come to an end, just because one, luxury is not as luxurious as it used to be, and then two, I pretty much have like everything that I have wanted. There's probably, maybe I can count on one hand a couple of things that I want to get, but once I get those couple of things, I'm pretty much at purse peace. And I'm gonna, like, you know, continue my YouTube channel and all, and do comparison videos and unboxings and just wear and tear and update videos, so, things of that nature. But since I know I'm getting closer to closer to being at purse peace, and I knew one step for me to get closer to that was to have this bag into my collection, I just went ahead and did just that, because I know once I get the last item that I want to get, I'm pretty much at purse peace, and I'm not gonna really crave anything else after I receive my last things, or my last few items. I will post on my community tabs my wish list, so you can see some of the last few purse purchases that I would like to make, at least while I'm at the age that I'm at. When I get a little older, I might circle back around to like Chanel and all that kind of stuff, but as of right now, I'm getting really close to purse peace from the brands that I really truly love and adore: Saint Laurent, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Marc Jacobs, fashion houses of that nature. And so this bag is one of those bags that I wanted to have before I hit the first wave of purse peace, because I know later on in my life I'm gonna hit another portion of wanting to add to my collection. But for right now, as far as purse peace is concerned, in my younger years, this was one of the items that I wanted to have back in my collection. That concludes today's video. If you like today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you'll never miss an upload from me. And until next time, my loves, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Mwah.